tean nach beag a cuasaí aimsir an barc an ómags an clé mór a go alle an clé Leathcheannais ar an bhags an dreith nua.
An chuir sé den bhaisteach a titim fáilte roimh go GAABO sin eintlí a bhíonn sé an tamsan do bblion aine le haon chial tá siad de stigan san Ardán ach dóibh siúd nach féidir lo ina measc ar gamradóirí lucht fuime agus go leor eile well be sé dechar in na himróireach be sé chu dechar céanna ar an lucht technúil chun na pictúirí seo a chaméad amach díomh. Tá cluthe eile ar siúlann sa ar a barc taobh hirdím agus tá seans go rééis sin beáning dénach.
Is mai an scíalín aimsir bhríon éis sin ráite ar brahan sé ar na scíal na technicúlaigh tá ag an dá uair agus na so go lín na motún atá dhéanamh ag an dá uair.
We'll take any conditions we get. Look, we're just glad to be here, and hopefully the conditions ease slightly here at the minute. But look, it's soggy underfoot.
Cuivín, Dimmer tosig an íalach a bhí cruúig harnam líonta tá sé seo an son déobh aimsir de sé chodachar immertin jobh nachfuil?
Yeah, seo Craobh bhí seo an stíl a de clár tú leis.
Yeah, tá sé fear Jackar aniu na Chonilicha ach tá an bhá an mór agus láidir timpil ar na parca.
Beag le feiscin chun a bheith mar sin so ní bheith sé seo fuirist peá hagan tríd an sotranó na neomh mar sin haíad nach an aige hart ar a musca trochtúirt a ríist, brion tires agus taobh leis tá Markhart.
Nish can talk it well jet Ulster fadan son again can asking on camera last year than goal like san kids score fachtaka Darren Hughes a slacht ústechen so grí Max McGuire agus tan Immerchani Savaraka over Sposh last dig is gan in Vroon son ta lead Matty McGuire agus tan Vertiet Eamon Young agus tan Counson put go holding her fadaga and kids score Darren Hughes agus an Counson seoltaisteach an curchaige sin den géadúirt san ónacha agus é puteiste go Ulster fad seo Anna Hansen is agus tá a bhfuil cófachta Peil Smith an á leis Matty McGuire achta bhí an gháil san airás se chun jogan is úna deasa geisiút chu sé ceanamóníos tuisce sin peinte anna bhrá. Se chun tradnú I teachtaisteach is tána le fíor géar an son hána muir sástasteigh gofuil an bheachtaíonta go Seán Young a ríist. Trícing díag feachta géiróirí began go dtí seo sa bheachtas fá siúráilta go leor an aimseoach sé an sprucan sa ar nós cumilm. Trí chéile sí an aimseir atá an uachtar go dtí seo hána jaach go dó ar éonimiúir.
Deirtaling an sa go bhfuil Joe McQuillan in áíire a fechant ar a barc ag go buinte seo agus brahan sin san go bhfuil sé hart. Bíní crutha láfa?
I would say we're hard to be help. A dóibh le bogu.
Tá sé ar cal a chuinóis le tan cluthe curtha cal aló.
Look at hangamar an seo aniu chun Cliiche Cheanna Shimmert agus níú an deisian an Cliiche Craobh nu stocha I dúram an réiteo rá níú an farc réad an darna lá tuist an báiste go hitch. Hé sin ráte bhíos ag madú na sráide na Jackar daine bhí an barcan seo an óig leis an bharthan leis an báisteach agus thucrann cóirleola Cliiche rivan brica seo I rithna seachna agus bhí sort of chóra ceistá an féin mar dhear an aimseo agus an meach sé in an dá Cliiche a láh seo agus í dúram an réiteo rá níró sé.
The referee is Joe McQuillan, one of the most experienced referees in the country. His call that the pitch was unplayable due to health and safety for players. Before the game started, the game was to go ahead. Again, that's the referee's call. The pitch was playable at that stage. The rain got worse, as you see here. I can see by the shivers in your hand and your voice, Michael, the conditions have got much worse in the last half hour. So that was the decision was made by the referee.
The game probably, when we ran out at the start, you knew it was a pitch that wasn't going to hold up. Disappointing that it's finished. Look, as I said, it's the same for both teams. I'd happy enough played the second half, but look, it's a pitch not fit for a game. Like, it's certainly not fit for a double header. We wake up tomorrow morning. It's like we're preparing for potentially the next game. So we'll get ready. We have our homework done on Newbridge anyway from going into this game. So it's just reiterating what we want to do with the ball and taking it on from there.
I'm sásta go an fós I gríomhóla fios cúig agus sin bin an sprochaigh tús an lé agus am fós an seo.
Fós the tacht, the Hill Action Club a chuig alle agus réit na Héireann san AFLW in imíocht the odds of Leathcheannais. Fannig Íling.
Counter Craigach na Núntas ar chósta hir na Héireann. Seo an bhuireann. Ar chéad éachant It's art laum scerdúli, ach farni scéidir. Níl in a héad seo fáil, in éon áit eile in éidir.
Ilan glas, fós a bán, ag tosú go lua TG Cahis.
Ní bhíonn sé gcónaí simplí muoin a cheannach a dhéal ná ligean ar cias. Is féidir le soláthráir ceadúnathe seirbhísí muoine Craobh. Sé an túdarás riála seirbhísí muoine an cólacht riála do gníomhairí estáit, gníomhairí ligean, ceantálathe agus gníomhairí banistethe réadmhaoine in éireann, ag chur caighdeáin a bhaim agus ag cosint tóiltóirí, le haid tuile eolais agus le clór na soláthraithe ceadúnathe seirbhísí muoine a isrú úsáid an PSRA, té chuig psr.ie.
Oh, a lamp!
Stop it! I'm ticklish! You have released me, Aladdin. In return, I'll grant you 3 wishes.
I'd like to be smart as a fox, strong as a bear, and be able to fly like an eagle.
Flying too? In this case, you'll need a Red Bull, the energy drink.
Red Bull gives you wings! Bye-bye, Genie!
And who grants me wishes?
You stay here.
Huh?
On Vinted, everything is new again. So sell with ease and earn again and again. Don't wear it, sell it.
Leave it, boy. It's been an hour and a half lifting a stone. It is an Irish tradition.
What a day.
Hop into that chariot now.
How are you? You feeling better today? Good.
All aboard! I thought you were still in the shop. See you, darling.
See you then.
Route 66.
Big skies, open roads, no potholes. It's always been a dream.
I'm sure you don't miss the rest of us.
Yeah. Now watch your step there now.
Dara, come on.
You haven't.
We have. You're in this band too.
The National Lottery. It could be you this Christmas.
Tá gachar bhuiile buchan búta Kilchua. Craobh é a bí na Héireann, há Craobh Uladh, agus bheith 3 Craobh an Counté. Ina meas gan 7 Craobh sa chéile há bút Uladh, mar sin ní héanúna go raibh mar rán csinnsta Craobh Uladh buchant. Ach an aireocht le gail na Héireanna Peil leice le banaisteoir nua ar manach Declan Banner tata níor dúigartha. Má darmach donacha a haman trátrachta.
There's like Micheál Rooney. So now Kilchua, mar rolling Northern to mar Turner and Tahi Aka. Agus action gentlecha, goig all action gentlecha. With Devin the Barker Croca, Craobh the Héireann, Hama. The Charleston Chonish, Callum Rogers. Just falls, it was touched, Fidech, finish it, could you my gesture and Chonish, Darryl Brannigan. Brannigan, Rashka, Rogers, Reish. Rogers, faster stock and shot. Michelle Foster, 3 fast out of chance in Devlin. Both say Paul Devlin. 3 Gerald fast and Trin. Just go, Kilchua. Donchid go, Imro Ray, Fair Henry, Shuggers and Jen Devlin of their ball. Jirchan Tooth with Hestala Kilchua, August and Shella Vakarish and Chohus Eugene Brannigan. Hey, or Fidech, Fanacht. Sean Chancellor, Sheáin Johnston, agus he put a drastic Sheáin. Ball score Rocco. Fragrant shot, Gail na Héireann. Héireann Peil Leathcheannais. And Umlan Hortskovic shot, then Lon Toslach. Chance of Seánis, Ryan Lyons, agus he put a drastic, brought Orashta or the hit. Zero can be Bhoth. Chacht Rishan, agus Callum. fish for shoot the Tashan is a fight. I betrust it. One of my Barnakin's on.